Hi, my name is Fazl Rahman. In this video, we are going to discuss what is the data type in the JavaScript. Basically, there are the three or four types of the data type. Data type means if it is the text or number or the true false or what version of the types of the data you are present in your code. So, like we already know the string. So So what is the basically we first discuss about the string. Basically, we if I say that let a is equal to put the inverted comma, a is equal to campaign. Okay, so a is equal to campaign. So if you any text which you put in the in the quotation marks, this would be represent to the JavaScript as a text. Okay, so basically no, it is the text. So how can we know it through the? So let me write the console log. So you how can you know that which is the data type? So you have to write type of and you would put the a which is your variable name, then it will tell you what is your data type it is. So let me go to the terminal. So let me write node fuzzle.js. Okay, I have to save this. So you do not need anything here to do, just I want to know that. So a is equal to campaign, which I just put in the quotation mark, which is data type, because we already know that it is string, but I have to confirm by the JavaScript. So you can see that it is the string version. Okay, so now what is the number? Basically, let if I say that b is equal to 120, okay, put the column. So now console log. So type of b. So if I want to know that what basically in the JavaScript, any number if it has the dot, for example dot 1 2 or the without the dot, this would be considered as a number. So now I have to check. So now I have to check what is the data type fuzzle JS. So you can see that it is the number. So basically in the JavaScript, the any number would be considered as a number. Then you have, if you are writing the number, then you do not need to put the quotation marks. Then it would write as the simple as. So the third type is the boolean. Basically boolean is let boolean, basically it is a true false. If your statement is true or the false, so it will use in the logical. So for example, if I say that fuzzle, okay, let me write the fuzzle version. Fuzzle is true. Okay, then sorry, fuzzle is true. If you, because the true is also the text, if you put the quotation marks, then it is not, it would become the string. Then you do not need to put any quotation marks around this true or the false. So let me now let me check of this data type console dot log type of fuzzle. Okay, so now let me check that node fuzzle.js. Sorry, it is showing that unexpected identifier. I think there is some let. So this is the error because I using the when you write the when you write the let or the constant or any version of the variable, then you have to choose the lowercase. So now we have to check that it is. So data type node fuzzle.js. So let me do where we, sorry, I node fuzzle dot, so it is not putting the dot. So let me copy js. Now you will see that it is the boolean. Basically the data type of the true or the false would be known as the boolean in the JavaScript, also in the Python. So this is the data type. If for example this is the condition like that, let you are giving the variable name like what would be the name like Google, but this time you do not have the value for this variable. You can put the null. Okay, you do not need to pull any value, you have to put it empty. So it means that there is a no variable present, but you can give this variable value again. But for the current time you can put the variable as a empty, so by using the null. So console dot log, console dot log, so the type of Google. So let me save it. Now I have to node fuzzle. So this is the object, okay, which is the data type object, which is undefined. Because you give them an any value, nothing value to the this variable. So this would be, this data type would be the object. So there's a four type of the data type you have to must know for you writing the code in the Google Tag Manager. So this is from me. Thank you so much.